Hello, mate. Now you guys are in the Hunger Game. When is this gonna start? Wow. Okay, in order to live, you have to eat all these food. And even the guns. See? Blah blah shabba 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 say, But I have lots of things to talk about. The Hunger Game involves, and it was a far. Oh yeah, you're the fiery ball, right? I guess. Okay. Anyway, the Hunger Games is about eating the food. So, oh, there you are. Where are you at? To the restroom. You sure? Ooh. Ooh. So, now, who's up for eating the... What the? Who took them? No wonder you were out. You were eating our food, even the guns, and the bowl. I guess so. Now I have to go buy something else. Okay, Big Brother's the winner. You guys get out. What's the whole point of this? How to eat in order to live. But we're not that. What the heck is wrong with you? You know what, guys? You do whatever you want. I'm just gonna go jump. In the Hunger Game, winner tonight, Big Brother Bird! Come out here. Wait, are you calling me? Yes, you're the only contestant who won. Oh my god, you serious? Yup, and you win 100,000 million $1,000,000. Oh yeah, boy! Now I'm gonna get 15 million burgers. Why are you wasted like that? Don't you have to waste it for something else? Like your bills and your renting money. I'd rather waste my money for the food.